Good morning, my dear students of class 9. This is your chemistry class. In this class, we will discuss the first chapter of your chemistry. The name of the chapter is the language of chemistry. Now, what is the language of chemistry? We have different elements in a periodic table, and we learned the first 30 elements also in the previous class. Now, the elements, to describe that element, we use some symbols. When we use symbols, valency and formula to write the name of any compound, the name of any element, that is a part of language of chemistry. Let's start with the introduction of this chapter. Chemistry. What is chemistry first of all? Chemistry क्या है? Chemistry is the branch of science in which we discuss or we study about matter. एक साइंस की एक ऐसी ब्रांच है केमिस्ट्री जिसमें हम मैटर के बारे में स्टडी करते हैं. What is matter? If we study about matter, then next thing is what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has a mass. कोई भी ऐसी चीज़, वस्तु जो आपके आसपास है, जिसका कोई वज़न है या जो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करती है, जगह को ऑक्यूपाई करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू सिट ऑन अ टेबल और अ चेयर, you also occupy a space. You are also a matter. Table, chair, AC, these all are the examples of matter. Many theories were proposed regarding matter which help us to discover the real essence of matter. The basic unit of matter in any state is considered as molecules. Now students, when we discuss about matter na bachche, that time matter is composed of atoms, molecules. Now what is atom? Atom is anything, or a atom, we can also discuss that एटम इज अ टाइनी पार्टिकल, एक छोटा सा पार्टिकल, टाइनी पार्टिकल. एटम फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 subatomic particles that are electron, proton and neutron. Let's see this diagram. This is a diagram. I make an arrangement of atoms in a solid state. This is the solid state, बच्चे. Now these small circles which I make, these represent the atom. 1 atom, 2 atom, 3 means any. You take an example of your bench. The tiny particle of that bench is atom. We can't see atom with our naked eyes because it is very small in size. Now this atom further divided into 3 parts, that is electron, proton and neutron. The next point is molecule. What is molecule? Again बच्चे, molecule is the smallest particle of matter. ये भी एक smallest particle होता है किसी भी matter का, which has independent existence. बच्चे, that is the difference. जो एटम है वो कभी भी इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं रहता, और जो मॉलिक्यूल है वो इंडिपेंडेंट एग्जिस्टेंस उसकी है. अभी द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी स्टार्ट विद अ प्योर सब्सटेंस. अ प्योर सब्सटेंस इज द वन विच इज मेड अप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल containing some kind of atoms. For example, in your book they give the example of CO2. Now what is CO2? CO2 is carbon dioxide. This is the pure substance. How this is a pure substance, बच्चे? Because CO2 is made up of one atom of carbon and two atoms. Here they write two na. This two is represent means oxygen are two. So two atoms of oxygen. We know na the composition of carbon dioxide. The composition is one atom of carbon and two atom of carbon dioxide. The molecule may contain similar atoms or dissimilar atoms. Now, बच्चे, in carbon dioxide, now if we take the example of carbon dioxide, CO2. Now, in carbon dioxide, two dissimilar means two different atoms are there. One atom is of carbon and the other atoms are of oxygen. So, dissimilar atoms are there. Similar atom, if we go with oxygen, now in oxygen we have two oxygen atoms, means similar. The next thing is a pure substance in which a molecule is made up of atom of the same kind are called element. Now we learn about and discuss about the element. What is an element? An element is the simple and pure form of matter. बड़ी ही simple and pure form है matter की, which cannot be decomposed into simpler substances, जो आगे further decompose नहीं होती. Are you able to decompose oxygen further? Means एक oxygen is one element, ये एक element है in the periodic table. Clear? कोई भी ऐसा एलिमेंट जो होता है वो एक प्योर और सिंपल सब्सटेंस होता है जो आगे डिकम्पोज नहीं होते. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर मेड अप ऑफ एटम. द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट वी रिप्रेजेंट all the properties of an element. Now बच्चे, what is atom? I already discussed with you, and in your book they also give the explanation about an atom. An atom is the smallest particle. Again एक छोटा सा particle किसी भी element का, may and may not exist independently but can take place in a chemical reaction. May or may not. May and may not. A set of atoms of the same type together form the molecule of the element. The number of atoms in a molecule of an element is called its atomicity. What is atomicity? When I write O2, when I write O2, this 2 is the atomicity. Hydrogen is H2. This is the atomicity. Clear? This बच्चे atomicity again divided. The first part is monoatomic molecule. Monoatomic molecule means single one. For example, helium He, neon Ne, argon Ar, lithium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, copper, they all take as a 1. The atomicity is 1. Same बच्चे, the atomicity of the element carbon is also 1. When you write carbon C, you write only C na? Again the atomicity is 1. But when you write oxygen, you write O2. 2 means diatomic molecule, having 2 atoms in their molecule. Hydrogen, you write H2, nitrogen N2. When you write these gases, the symbol of these gases for H2, O2, N2, you write 2. Next is triatomic. Tri means 3. Here you have ozone O3. This 3 is the triatomic molecule. Tetraatomic. Tetra means 4. Element having 4 atoms in their molecules. For example, phosphorus P4. Okay. Next is octaatomic molecule. Octa means 8. For example, sulfur S8. Element having 8 atoms in their molecule. What is a molecule? We already discussed, explained in this video also, that molecule is the smallest particle that has a capability of independent existence. The molecule of an element exhibit all the properties of that element. जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं कि उस एलिमेंट की, सभी को वो एग्जिबिट करता है. When atom or molecule of different element combine chemically in a fixed ratio, बच्चे, the ratio must be fixed. For example, we already done the example of carbon dioxide na. Atom of carbon is 1 and oxygen is 2, so the ratio is 1:2. The next example, if you consider the good example for you, that is water. In water, H2O. Now hydrogen 2 and oxygen 1, so 2:1. A fixed proportion. This is the fixed proportion. NaCl, NaCl, Na sodium 1 and Cl again 1. 2 or more kind of molecule combine to form mixture. An element and a compound or only compound. Mixture can be homogeneous with uniform composition or heterogeneous, which has non-uniform distribution of the different types of molecules. For example, salt in water or what is a homogeneous mixture. अच्छे तरह से मिक्स हो जाता है ना सॉल्ट पानी में, होमोजीनियस. मडी वाटर इज अ हेट्रोजीनियस. अभी कुछ जो व्हेन यू ऐड सॉइल और क्ले इन वाटर, मिट्टी आप डालते हो तो कुछ पार्टिकल या सैंड आप होती है उसमें, तो वो नीचे सेटल डाउन हो जाती है. क्लियर? The name of elements and compounds are abbreviated by using certain symbols and formulae. Before 1600 AD, all chemists tried to represent the substances that they used for their experiments by different kinds of pictographic symbols. Pictographic symbol means in the form of a picture, circle, triangle maybe they use, right? Dalton used some other type of symbols. अभी डाल्टन ने कुछ और सिंबल यूज किए, लाइक सर्कल यूज किया उसने, ऑक्सीजन के लिए सर्कल यूज करा था वो, ठीक है. एंड फॉर हाइड्रोजन सर्कल के बीच में डॉट लगा दी थी उसने. सिंबल्स हेयर, Dalton symbol element, you have a table in your book. So बच्चे different scientists they use the different symbols, all chemists they write. Clear? Then we have the symbols nowadays we use. For example, for hydrogen we use H, helium we use He, carbon we use C. But copper we use, what we use for the copper? Cu. Now who suggested this method? John Jacob suggested that we use initial letter of an element written in capital. But if we have two elements and the initial letter is the same of the two elements, for example hydrogen H, helium H, in this condition बच्चे two things we follow, we can go for it. The first one is We use the Latin name, for example, sodium. Sodium starts with S, but we use the symbol Na, where we derived from its Latin name. And the Latin name is, here we have in this table, that is Natrarium. In helium, we use the first two letters H and E. First letter should be the capital H and the second one is small e. Helium H, E. Bache, the next thing is the methods suggested by him laid the basis of the IUPAC. Now, what is IUPAC? The full form of IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, System of Chemical Symbols and Formulae. Today we discuss the basic introduction of this chapter. Now I am going to discuss the first assignment which I sent to you, and in this assignment we cover the chart of compounds with their formulae. We have the name of the different name of the compounds, here the name of the compounds and here the formulas. This is a very important assignment, bache. You have to learn this. Boric acid. Boric acid. The formula is H3BO3. Phosphoric acid H3PO4. Nitrous acid HNO2. But there is a little bit different. OUS and IC. Nitrogenous and nitric. When OUS, we have the less power of oxygen, that is O2. And in nitric, we have O3, HNO3. Similar with sulphurous and sulfuric. Sulphurous H2SO3. And in IC, one more, that is H2SO4. Hydrochloric acid HCl. Silica means sand, SiO2. Caustic soda. Caustic soda is, what is caustic soda? Sodium hydroxide. Sodium Na, hydroxide OH. Caustic potash. What is it? Potassium hydroxide, that is KOH. Washing soda. Washing soda is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Baking soda, NaHCO3. Limestone, that is calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Next one is water, you know, H2O. Hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen H2 sulfide S, H2S. Ammonia, NH3. Next is phosphine, PH3, methane, CH3. I hope you understand the topic which we today in this class. Thank you so much, students.